Mabilis lang ulit no, MS short-term financing. So, ito yung giving up the discount. So, um, ang alam na kabisado mo na sigurong sinosolve is yung cost of the discount or giving up the discount kung hindi niya binayaran at the discount date, which is yung 10 days or within the discount period. So, ang ginagawa mo lang dyan is yung 2, which is yung percentage, tapos over 98%. So, 2% over 98%, same thing. Kahit na yung absolute values na lang yung lagay mo. And then, multiply mo by 360. Hindi, sinabi ba dito? Okay, sige. Kung hindi binigay yung days sa problem, you can try both, no? So 360 divided by yung term, which is yung 30 minus yung discount period. Yan, that's 20. So in your calculator, 360 divided by 20, that's 18, multiply or m plus mo, and then 2 over 98. Okay, multiply mo by the memory recall. So that would be 36.73. So walang exact, no? So try natin yung 365. 365. Okay, so ganun ulit. So 2 over 98 memory plus, and then 365 divided by 20, multiply natin, memory recall, 37.24. Okay, dito lumabas siya. So, gamit ng problem is 365 days. So, 37.2. Okay, percent. Yan yung cost kung hindi niya tinake yung discount. So, sayang naman, di ba? Now, meron kasi dito, ang variation niya is i-extend daw ng supplier yung credit term into 55 days more, past invoice date. So, from day 1, 55 days na yung term. So, parang magiging ganun lang naman eh. Instead of 30 days, magiging 55. So, ang gagawin mo would be, parang may extend yung, mabibigyan ka ng palugit ng supplier. So, magbabago yung cost. Okay, so same lang din naman, yun lang is pagka hindi mo kasi alam yung gagawin mo, sayang hindi mo to masosolve. So huhulaan mo lang siya. So might as well alam mo dapat na ang pagka in-extend lang, simply kung kabisado mo na yung formula number 1 na yan, simply baguhin mo lang yung ilalim. That would be 55 minus yun pa rin, 10 days pa rin yung discount period. So, 365 days pa rin yan. Diba? So, yan yung question number 2. What is the annualized cost of giving up the discount if the firm stretches its payment to 55 days? Okay. So, that would be, meron na tayong memory recall. So, 365 divided by 45. Divided by 45. And then, multiply lang natin memory recall. That would be 16.55%. So, that would be letter B. So, di ba madali lang siya? So, sayang naman. Alalahanin mo to. Ulit-ulitin mo lang mag-solve ng ganito para hindi mo makalimutan. Okay? So, yan. 4 minutes for you. Be a CPA. Okay?